Hello and welcome to another Let's Compile video. These are videos about compiling source code and testing the binaries that are produced. In this Let's Compile, we'll be looking at RPG, which sounds like a very generic name. I can't imagine a more generic name than that, because all it is just a type of game. So we'll have a look at it. It's written in C++. So RPG created by Tom Woodman. There's his email. I'm not sure if that works anymore. I'm not sure if his website exists. It might, so you could try looking into that if you wanted to. These are libraries. These are declarations of variables, integers in this case. And he's using cout, which is console out. It'll probably be a text game. In fact, I think from memory it is. So cout is console out, and these less than symbols indicate the flow of the IO stream. So he's putting this stuff into the console. So, and endl is just a C++ instruction, or instruction that goes onto a new line. He's got some in C++. They've got kind of strange things for what are they called? What are these things called again? Operators, I guess. They're not really operators. They're conditional relationship things. See, that means if you're doing an assignment, you can just use one equal symbol, but in this situation, it's two, and they've got other strange things like that. More console stuff. This actually looks pretty short. It's only 462 lines long. And he's got return 0 down here, which ends the program. It looks like you go through and make choices. It's one of those sorts of RPGs. So we'll go ahead and compile it. He's used an antiquated header, which is not too much of an issue for this compiler or this version of MinGW. This compiler uses MinGW, and the IDE being used here is Dev C++, but another good one which has been maintained a bit more is Code Blocks, and this is the site where you can get the source code. It's my site. Okay, so we got some colored text here. That's nice. New game, and he's got a save game setting, which is also good. Okay, this is the name of it. Xterria RPG. Your name is Al, and you've just come back from a fishing trip. When you get home, you see that your wife is not there. You walk in. Type anything. put 'em up. You get knocked out from behind. 5 minutes later, where am I? You look around, you see nothing except your cat Frisky. Type anything and hit enter to go on. You hear a noise coming from outside. Move your butt, Fragis. I'm sorry, Motty. Okay. Instructions. You've read the story. Now you know what is going on. Every time you see nothing, you will know the game is waiting for a response. You must corresponding letter and choices and hit enter. Also, okay. You get up from the ground. You hear their car start. Oh, okay. So this isn't set in medieval times. It's good to see an RPG that isn't like in a sort of fantasy medieval sort of setting. Okay, I'm gonna grab my gun. You run out with your gun. You try to catch it, pant, but it's no use. Alright, I'm gonna go with C. Let's call the cops. A woman responds, 911, how may I help you? Oh no, you're... I'm gonna go next door. Password. When you walk next door, you... Okay, I'm going to call for help. A homeless guy. He walks up to you, homeless guy explains, what? So it's one of these sort of choose your own adventure sort of games. Like I remember, back when I was much younger, they had these books where you sort of go through and you have to turn to certain pages and then you can sort of read different scenarios. So it's that sort of thing. But anyway, so you get the idea. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.